What's up, guys? So today we are going to be doing a clown speed run and maybe some other stuff before or after. Don't really know, but we're just here to mess around. And what I mean by we, I mean my friend.
Ah!
4 or 5?
I've done it about twice.
No, I'm not gonna help you this time. Just a full-on speed run. Oh, I can't help you.
The first part is already. It's up there.
Yeah. I'm stuck. Okay, I've got it. Got it done. Me heading over to the other one.
Alright, got it.
Just running all the way over to the other one. Or is it chasing you? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Rest in peace.
Hi.
Oh my god, it's right here. Shoo! 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 Oh, I see you.
He's right here.
Interesting. The bunny's up the vent as well.
Why is the bunny
I
here?
don't know.
I need to leg it straight to the bottom.
Hello there, can I'm about to head to the big stage. There's a shop tip. Does it kill you? Wait, this is always small. Water. I want to see if I can. Is there a clown there?
Yep.
Did he get you? Tell me where the clown is, and then I'll start heading over.
I've got time.
Alright, where's the clown? Where's the clown?
Oh!
Peter, where's the clown?
Oh, he's on the other side.
On the other hallway?
When you come out. Yeah.
I'm looking at.
Like, you know where the lever is? Yeah, come on.
I got a sword for protection.
And I'm pretty sure he's right there, he's right there. If you want, we could like juke him, go into the vent and then get the button.
No, I'm just gonna rush
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
through it.
Oh, yeah. I'm on the other side.
My controller disconnected. I made it.
I'm in, I'm on the other side. Oh, where's he gone? He's on the other side, I'm pretty sure.
There he is.
Let's have a look.
You have luck.
Okay, he's just barely around the other side. Hang on, I'll tell you when he's around. Got it.
Oh, I'm on the front door. I'm on the dartboard. He's coming.
I'm gone.
Where are you? Only 2 map. Yeah, we're just
I
going.
already seen a monkey.
Hello.
There's like,
Hello.
some brain gas.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh my days.
Oh my god, I was not ready for that. Okay, we have to get the candy from.
I think I know.
It could be on the shelves, maybe?
Peter.
Yes.
I think it's in there.
Okay,
Oh, yeah, yep, we got visitors.
Oh, hello.
Oh my days!
Right, ready? Leg it.
He's not even chasing you. He wasn't even chasing you.
Wait, what?
1.0 and Blade Sorcery is coming out soon.
Oh, dark.
Coming out in a half term. He's like, Dora! Okay then. Oh my god.
Wait, is she there already?
Yeah.
Hello there.
What's up? I want to juke around.
Where's she gone?
She's coming to me. Peter, what's ready? We're gonna juke her out.
She's literally... Oh my god!